Alright, Math 3 students, I'm going to show you how to work with some complex fractions here. This is the second part of 6.4, and this problem, in fact, is number 39 from your new homework. So, try and watch this, see if it makes sense, and we'll go through it and try the rest of them based on this one. So what's going on here? Why do they call it a complex fraction? You have a fraction inside a fraction with a fraction on the bottom, so it's complex. Now you can only do one thing at a time, so let's go ahead and cover that up and only focus on that. Now the problem becomes sort of simple, less complicated. I want to say simpler. So x over 3 and 6, well, we can't combine them unless they have common denominator, so let's put a 6 over 1. Okay, can't combine these until you multiply this top and bottom by 3. As long as you do the bottom and the top together, they're okay. That gives us x over 3 minus 18 over 3, because this is now over 3 and 6 times 3 is 18. To combine this, you can now put it together as one fraction over 3 with x minus 18. Okay, so we got that. Yeah. Hello.
Can I take my quiz?
Okay, so basically treat the top part of the fraction as a one single problem. And then we're done with that, cover it all up, and do the same thing with the bottom half. Okay, so let's do that. Again, put it 10 over 1. This time the problem is the denominator is x and the denominator is 1. So to get them to be the same, I'm going to multiply this times x, which means we have 10x over x. That's what we get here. And then plus the 4 over x. They're both over x now, so a common denominator. So 10x plus 4 over x. Okay, so that's where we're at. Okay, so this whole thing right here is where we're at. It's still not totally done because that's still a fraction over a fraction. So let's go over here. X minus 18 over 3 over 10x plus 4 over x. Okay. Now, as bad as that looks, really this is the same as having 1/3 over 1/4. And the rule is 1/3 times reciprocal of the denominator, which gives us 4/3, which is not bad. Same thing here. Numerator stays the same. Denominator we make the reciprocal. All right. When you multiply this out, this is a binomial, so you'll multiply both of them. X squared minus 18x. And here you're going to have 30x plus 12. Now, it doesn't look like anything is going to break down and factor smaller here, so you can leave it like this. The back of the book's probably going to factor out the top, call it x times x minus 18. And the bottom 6 goes into all of those, and you get 5x plus 2. So technically these are both the same. Okay, it's not going to get any more simplified than that. Nothing else cancels, so the book will probably put it like this, but I'm totally fine with it if you want to leave it that way. So hopefully this helps. You should be able to try the next couple problems and see how far we can get.